let's take a look at the new spinners for 2025. I was originally wanting Kai spinner, but Walmart didn't have it, so I had to settle on Sora's. I do like the colors on Sora's more, but I wanted the Kai one for the figure. Okay, so here it is. Starting with the minifigures, you get just another basic Sora that has been coming to sets for way too long at this point. I think this is probably at least my 6th or 7th Sora figure. It is really nice to get another Dragonian though. And then here's the actual launcher. You just you load this up into here. And then you push in on this thing and it goes fine. So let's test it out. That's kind of lame. Yeah, for being completely honest, this is kind of lame. I was expecting it to go a lot faster. That's the fastest I've gotten it. It doesn't work nearly as well as the FS spinners. I do think that's better than 2023 spinners. But yeah, overall this is honestly kind of disappointing. I mean, I wasn't expecting a lot out of it, but it's still kind of disappointing.